Do this if your VW alternator is not charging battery. Battery not charging? A faulty alternator is often blamed for such a problem. But, guess what? The cause of this problem could actually be one of many things. To clear things up, we have compiled a list of issues that can result in such a problem. Take a look. Alternator not charging battery. Here's what it could mean. Drive belt or pulley is at fault. If your car battery is not charging even if the alternator is fine, the culprit could be a loose drive or serpentine belt defective pulley. You need to fix the issue before things go south. Something wrong with the ECU. No matter how unlikely it may seem, it's true. Defects in the ECU can cause the battery not to charge. So, if your car's alternator is not charging, get its ECU tested. You should know that a fault in the ECU can also cause many engine troubles. Fuse probably blown. In some cases, there may be a problem in charging the battery due to a blown fuse. To fix the issue, you need to replace the blown fuse. Bad wiring. Your car battery won't charge if the wires connecting it to the alternator go bad. Identifying the bad wire and replacing it will solve the problem. Closing remarks. The battery and alternator are two important parts of a car's electric system. That's why they deserve special attention,